So I was watching the Pope, or at least I saw a picture of the Pope. He's giving his Easter speech, Pope Francis. And it was odd because Smithsonian had Saint Francis of Assisi and some of the Renaissance artwork on their station. And I wake up really early in Eastern Standard, so this had already been done over on the other side of the pond, as they say, that big ocean over there. And I thought, well, I looked at one of the paintings where the birds were, the birds in the painting um, were not so colorful. And I thought of the bird, the cardinal. And of course, Pope Francis was wearing his red and his, I forget what kind of yarmulke he was wearing. Maybe it was white, maybe it was black, doesn't matter. But the bird, the cardinal, I thought about human, not all things being equal. I thought of, and not even confinement. I thought of the earth, how where you're dwelling amongst other people and things like this. Um, they showed a shot of a hallway in one of the hallowed churches or something like this, where all this Renaissance art is on the walls. And you could see right there they had a plumbing pipe of ancient time. It was made out of concrete, and on top a latrine. And they had two on either side of the walls of this big, beautiful building. And I thought, well, all things being equal, we have a fertile crescent in the sacrum of the human body. And, you know, it, it, um, it helps a lot to stay where you are and not travel the earth, I guess. Um, because you see things from your past come back to you, I guess, if that makes sense. And like anything else in life, the tools you have are no mystery. I mean, like if you need a screwdriver, you know how to use a screwdriver. Not knowing how to make a screwdriver is something that someone did eons before, so that we don't, you know, have to reinvent the screwdriver. I was looking at the screwdriver thinking it's a Phillips screwdriver. Does that have anything to do with Mr. Phillips that had a recording studio and recorded Elvis? Doesn't matter much. Um, but I looked in there and it looked like not like a convent so much, but along the walls and things, there were kind of an ancient human society where this was Italy back then. Point being, for lack of a better term, I wondered if that community way, way, way back then, Saint Francis of Assisi, Assisi, Italy, invented the red cardinal. Up here we have a purple marlin and a blue heron, and I don't know. Depends what kind of flowers you eat, what seeds go into the plumbing, things like this, what kind of plumage lands in front of you some days. And I've seen cardinals, the bird. I don't need to see, cardinals, the Pope, but peace to you and yours. Happy Easter. There's one thing about that religion. Um, if he was right about anything, you better be ready for an eternity, because it will recycle you. Peace.